reservations at Flora Taverna. They're at the Helios for $5.45 for dinner. So, but it's funny because they're using the bus that we're using is an old Disney Cruise Line bus to go to Universal. I love it. Like, they're not mutually exclusive. We all love each other, don't we? Alright, we just got notice that our room is ready, so we headed back to the hotel, and we have a few things left in the car, just like my big bag that it's like a catch-all, we throw everything in there. And then we brought like a fan, because I sleep hot, and the kids' tablets that we don't really want to leave in the car while it's parked here in the parking garage. So we're gonna grab those, and then we're gonna go ahead and head up to the room. Whoa. Apparently this reflects the time of day. Very cool. All right, we just got into the room. There's like a little window vestibule area, like right beside the room. So Zach and the kids are gonna wait right there for like 3 minutes so I can do this quick room tour. This is our first time staying at the Helios Grand Hotel. Let's get this room tour knocked out. It's just the standard 2-queen room. It isn't preferred view, so it's not a great view. It's parking lot, construction area, but that's okay because we're at the Helios Grand Hotel and I'm so excited to show you guys around. All right, so first things first is you have the little, like the blue door, and then I don't know why you guys don't care about the door. Now you have this cool mirror. It's like got this nice patina effect on it. I love it. Gorgeous floor length mirror. Chandelier. Then there's a closet with your extra pillows, blankets, safe, ironing board, iron up there. I love these handles. Okay, and then walk in into the right, another mirror. It's got that like classic, I swear all the Lowe's hotels have this, where it's like this little vestibule area for the sink, and then that's detached from the bathroom, so then the toilet and the shower are separate. But it's a gorgeous sink. It's like or not a sink, mirror. It's like a puzzle piece, and it's backlit. And then these really pretty like chandelier tea lights. Let's see, got some drawers. This opens? The answer is no. Oh, there's a hair dryer. Oh, and then some extra towels. That looks like just the standard Lowe's Hotels shower cap, lotion, soap. Oh, the bathroom itself is pretty though. I love the tile. It's blue like my nails. That's nice, a walk-in shower. So I guess we didn't get a tub. I don't know if that means we got like I don't know. I haven't seen enough videos to know if this is like standard, the walk-in shower, or if it's not accessible because there's a step, whatever. Regardless, cute shower. Got the sliding door. I'm gonna come out here to the actual room area. Got the 2 queen beds with this really pretty, I guess it's floral. They went for floral inside, but kind of like astrological and stuff out. It's really nice, the blues and the pinks. It's like brushed, what would you call it? Like sateen beds. It's like dusty pink. Yeah, here's our view. See, not great. We get the parking garage, which I'm pretty sure we could probably see our car from here. And then it looks like a little construction area. Oh my God, though. That means that's Battle at the Ministry, because this is the new Wizarding World. So we're literally looking at the ride building for Battle at the Ministry. That's cool. Then you have a little piece of art. I guess it's giving like sun, moon phases. A little desk, trash can, lamp, everybody's favorite ice bucket, some cups, the Helios coasters, TV playing the Epic commercials, of course, mini fridge, which is good because we brought some energy drinks and some water bottles, so we'll be able to put them in there. And then just drawers, so not a lot of storage options, which is fine. I also like that they built this up so tall because you can definitely fit suitcases under there. I don't know about, no, not under the bed, but you could definitely like shove the suitcases under there when you're not using them to get them out of the way. Just to give you a little more space, and probably could put, you know, the stroller there or back in that corner when it's not in use. So you guys, I really like this room. It's small, but it feels like what I want Hard Rock to do, which is kind of like get updated. Oh, it's like a crushed velvet curtain. It's so pretty. I wonder what the view, oh, I bet the ones with the views of Epic are amazing. It's comfortable. I'm tired. All right, also had this nice little rundown sheet, good to know info instead of like a whole book. Got like housekeeping, laundry, ice machine, all that sort of thing. So for dinner, we decided to try out Flora Taverna, which is the restaurant in the lobby of the Helios Grand Hotel. So Flora Taverna actually serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and they recommend making reservations for dinner because it tends to fill up. The menu itself focuses on like kind of light Mediterranean food. There's, you know, wood-fired pizza, octopus, along with things like pasta, steak, you know, really anybody could find something that they would enjoy. But Zach and I decided to grab some drinks before dinner. I got the Athens Sour, which was made with a special Angel's Envy that was made specifically for the Helios Grand Hotel, so I just, of course, had to try that. And then Zach got the espresso old fashioned because he loves old fashions and we love espresso martinis. And then, of course, we wanted to get some focaccia for the table, which was herby and delicious. And then, of course, I had to point out this adorable little ketchup that they brought out for the kids. But our food arrived and it was overwhelming how amazing it all was. Penelope chose to get the margarita pizza off the adult menu. We just asked for no basil on it. And then the babies both got the country chicken tenders, which are honestly just chicken tenders, and they were so good. I got the burrata pasta because it's my favorite. And then Zach got the 14-ounce ribeye with the zhug sauce. And I don't even know if that's how you pronounce it. Shgoog? Whatever it is, it was like a Mediterranean chimichurri, and they had it cooked to a perfect medium rare. So let's break down all the food. First of all, the pizza, perfect. The mozzarella was like getting cheese pulls. The crust was perfectly thin. It was just lightly sauced, but the sauce was very fresh. And honestly, everybody at our table tried some, much to Penelope's disdain, and it was so good. Zach's steak, like I mentioned, was perfectly cooked. It was tender. It was almost fall apart, which is shocking for a ribeye, and it was very flavorful. I got the burrata bucatini, and number one, I'm kind of impartial when it comes to burrata because it is my favorite of all cheeses. So when I saw on the menu that they had a pasta, another one of my favorites, with a ball of burrata on top, I was sold. They literally didn't need to tell me anymore. But this was so simple, but so fresh and so good. This whole meal kind of shocked me because I was like, yeah, we're just gonna go here because, you know, it's a brand new restaurant, brand new hotel, and it's easy because we can't get into the park because we didn't have the tickets for that day. And it was right there in the lobby, and we were able to get reservations the same day. So I guess I wasn't expecting much, which is why it all blew me away. Like everything from the cocktails to the dinner to the kids' meals to the service, this was just an amazing meal over here at Flora Taverna. And we'll 1000% be coming back here next time we stay at the Helios Grand Hotel. So the next day we decided to go to Bar Helios, which is the bar that's located in the actual dome part of the Helios Grand Hotel. We were a little bit unsure because we didn't go during happy hour or anything like that, and we have 3 kids. But they were super nice about it. It wasn't crowded, so they let the kids sit at the bar with us. Zach and I love getting, these crazy experimental cocktails. And Bar Helios had some of the coolest sounding cocktails. They were all Mediterranean themed, kind of going par with the hotel. But they had the craziest sounding flavors. Like some of the drinks had Greek yogurt. There was ouzo, which you don't see a lot in the US, pomegranate. So yeah, we got to try a couple drinks, and let's see. That looks like more better something.
Because he said you to his
I weirdly like that.
It's good. Could use a little more bourbon.
Yeah, definitely more bourbon. She went like and sneezed the bourbon on it. But yeah, that's good. It's better than I thought it would be.
You guys can't see me because I
Alright, so Zach's drink was the Athenian milk punch. That's what you said he really liked. Oh, it did have ouzo in it. Yours had ouzo in it. We were just saying we didn't see like anything with ouzo.
Not enough.
I think it's the only thing with ouzo though. Oh no, this one has it too. Okay, so they kinda did ouzo. Since it's Greek themed, we were just talking about that. Like, where's ouzo? And then I did the Night Goddess, but without ginger beer. I did Sprite because I do not like ginger beer. So it's not bad. They're good drinks. But now we gotta go to dinner. I agree. Alright, which one's gonna open first?